Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the 2025 Mazda 3, a car that continues to set the standard for stylish, sporty, and premium compact sedans and hatchbacks. From its sleek design to its refined interior and impressive performance, this car proves that you don't need a luxury badge to get a premium experience. Mazda has always been known for its elegant design language, and the 2025 Mazda 3 is no exception. The signature Kodo design philosophy is evident, with smooth lines, a bold front grille, and sharp LED headlights that give the car an aggressive yet sophisticated presence. Depending on the trim, you'll find stylish alloy wheels, a subtle rear spoiler, and sleek LED taillights that complete the sporty aesthetic. Whether you choose the sedan or the hatchback, the Mazda 3 looks like a car that belongs in a higher price bracket. Step inside, and you're greeted with one of the best interiors in the segment. Mazda has focused on high-quality materials, soft touch surfaces, and a minimalistic yet functional design. The dashboard is clean, with an elegant layout that integrates the infotainment screen seamlessly. The standard 8.8-inch display is now upgraded with an even more intuitive user interface, offering wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Higher trims get a larger 10.3-inch screen and a premium Bose sound system that fills the cabin with crystal-clear audio. The digital gauge cluster is crisp and easy to read, providing key information without clutter. The steering wheel feels premium, wrapped in leather with solid-feeling buttons for effortless control. Mazda has also improved seat comfort for 2025, with more supportive bolstering and available leather upholstery in higher trims. Rear seat space remains a bit tight, especially in the hatchback, but overall, it's a comfortable cabin with a driver-focused layout. Now, let's talk performance. The 2025 Mazda 3 offers three engine options. The base 2.5-liter four-cylinder delivers a solid 191 horsepower, providing a balanced mix of power and efficiency. If you're looking for more excitement, the turbocharged 2.5-liter engine pumps out up to 250 horsepower with premium fuel, making it one of the most powerful options in its class. The 6-speed automatic transmission is smooth and responsive, but driving purists will be happy to know that a manual transmission is still available on select trims. Mazda's G-Vectoring Control Plus enhances handling, making the car feel planted and responsive through corners. The steering is sharp, offering great feedback, and the ride quality is well balanced, firm enough for a sporty feel but comfortable enough for daily driving. Available all-wheel drive adds an extra layer of confidence, especially in wet or snowy conditions. Pricing for the 2025 Mazda 3 starts around $24,000 for the base model, while the higher trims with all the premium features and the turbo engine can push the price above $35,000. For what you get in terms of design, performance, and technology, it's still one of the best values in the segment. So, is the 2025 Mazda 3 worth it? If you want a compact car that offers a near-luxury experience, fun driving dynamics, and eye-catching design, then absolutely. It's not the roomiest in its class, but if you prioritize style and performance, it's hard to beat. What do you think of the 2025 Mazda 3? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.